In this video, we will learn the MATLAB code for clamped cubic spline. Suppose we want to approximate the value of f of 1.5 from the following data. So we have data values 0, 1. This is 0, 1. Next one is 1e. This is 1e. Next one is 2e square. This is 2e square. And last one is 3eq. This is 3eq. Using other method, we normally add those points using straight line. But if we use the cubic spline method, then we normally add those points using curve. And we got more accurate result. Now let's run the MATLAB code. This is the MATLAB code for cubic spline. So we have those points and two more conditions. F prime of 0 equals to 1 and f prime of 3 equals to eq. For other problems, you do not need to change anything from this code. That means this code will work for any types of problem. You only need to change the points and the condition. Now let's run the code. So click on run and now go to command window. So enter n for n plus 1 nodes. We have 4 nodes, so we need to enter 3. Our first point is 0, 1. We need to enter those points on separate lines. Next point is 1e. Next point is 2e square. And last one is 3eq. We also have two more conditions, f prime of x of 0 and f prime of x of n, which is 1 and eq. So we will get this output, the coefficient of the spline on the subintervals. Now we need to form the spline using those coefficients. So in our MATLAB code, we got this output. So from the interval 0 to 1, our polynomial would be 1 plus x plus 0.44 x square plus 0.2735 x cube. On the interval 1 to 2, s of x will be 2.71 plus 2.7101 times x minus 1 plus 1.26 x minus 1 whole square plus 0.69 x minus 1 cube. Similarly, this one would be from this coefficient. Now, to approximate the value of s of 1.5, we need to select this polynomial because 1.5 is in this interval. So plug x equals to 1.5 here, and after calculation you will get 4.47. Thanks for watching.